Picture this, a ribbon of road winding its way between verdant mountains and the deep blue sea, dotted with pastel-colored villages that seem to cling precariously to the cliffs. Welcome to the Amalfi Coast, a corner of Italy that's as beautiful as it is unique. Every twist and turn along this stunning coastline reveals a new marvel. Imagine terraced vineyards and lemon groves ascending steep cliffs, their fragrant blossoms perfuming the air. Picture quaint villages nestled like pearls along the coastline, their vibrant colors reflected in the sapphire waters of the Mediterranean. Envision the sun setting over the sea, painting the sky in hues of pink and orange, while the distant melody of a mandolin serenades the evening. This is the Amalfi Coast, a place where natural beauty, centuries-old traditions, and Italian charm blend seamlessly. But the Amalfi Coast is not just a feast for the eyes, it's a place steeped in history and rich in culture waiting to be explored. The Amalfi Coast's history is as layered as its dramatic landscapes. Once a maritime powerhouse, this stretch of coastline has seen the rise and fall of civilizations, each leaving its mark. The story of the Amalfi Coast is one of resilience and evolution. It begins with the rise of the Duchy of Amalfi in the 9th century. Known for its maritime prowess, the duchy was one of the 4 great maritime republics of Italy, alongside Venice, Genoa, and Pisa. These republics dominated trade across the Mediterranean, with Amalfi being a significant player until the 12th century. The fortunes of Amalfi shifted over time, with invasions, natural disasters, and shifts in trade routes. But through it all, the spirit of Amalfi remained, and the coast continued to flourish in its own unique way. Today, it stands as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for the exceptional cultural landscape that perfectly marries the natural beauty of the coast with centuries of layered historical and cultural developments. The culture of the Amalfi Coast is a vibrant tapestry woven through centuries of influence from different civilizations. Greek, Roman, Byzantine, and Norman influences are seen in the architecture, art, and customs of the region. The local crafts, music, and festivals are a testament to this rich cultural heritage. For instance, the traditional art of papermaking, introduced in the 13th century, is still practiced today in the town of Amalfi. The annual festival of Sant'Andrea, the patron saint of Amalfi, is a grand spectacle that combines religious rituals with vibrant processions and a spectacular firework display. Music too plays a significant role in the culture of the Amalfi Coast. The town of Ravello, perched high on the cliffs, is known worldwide for its summer music festival. This celebration of classical music, set against the backdrop of the stunning coastline, draws artists and spectators from around the globe. The Amalfi Coast is a place where history and culture intertwine, creating a unique and captivating experience. Every corner of this sun-drenched coastline tells a story, every tradition is a link to the past, and every local craft is a celebration of centuries-old heritage. From its historic past to its vibrant present, the Amalfi Coast is a living testament to the region's cultural richness. Now that we've delved into the history and culture, it's time to explore the gems that make the Amalfi Coast so special. Let's start in Positano, a town nestled against the cliffs, cascading down to the sparkling sea. Its pastel-colored buildings create a vibrant contrast against the clear blue sky. Walk its narrow winding streets, and you'll find artisan shops filled with handmade ceramics, linen clothing, and vibrant sandals. The town's beaches are equally captivating, offering a perfect spot to relax and soak in the Mediterranean sun. Next, we journey to Amalfi, the town that gave this coast its name. Once a maritime powerhouse, Amalfi is steeped in history. Don't miss the Amalfi Cathedral, a stunning architectural marvel that reflects the town's rich past. Its striking facade, adorned with a Byzantine mosaic, is a testament to the diverse cultures that have influenced this region. Continuing our journey, we reach Ravello, perched on the cliffs above the Tyrrhenian Sea. The town's villas and gardens are a sight to behold. Villa Ruffalo, with its terraced gardens and mesmerizing views of the coastline, is a must-visit. This tranquil town has inspired artists, musicians, and writers for centuries, and it's not hard to see why. Lastly, we arrive at Sorrento, the gateway to the Amalfi Coast. Known for its sweeping cliffside views and fragrant lemon groves, Sorrento offers a sensory experience like no other. Take a stroll through its bustling streets, and you'll be greeted with the sweet scent of lemons, a staple in many local dishes and drinks. Then, just a quick ferry ride away, lies the island of Capri. This island paradise is renowned for the Blue Grotto, a sea cave illuminated by an ethereal blue light. Capri also boasts luxury shops, Roman ruins, and panoramic views that will leave you spellbound. Each town along the Amalfi Coast has its own charm and character, offering endless opportunities for discovery. Beyond its beauty and history, the Amalfi Coast offers a wealth of experiences to immerse yourself in the local way of life. For the outdoor enthusiasts, the Path of the Gods is a must-hike, offering breathtaking views of the coastline and the sparkling blue sea. Boat tours provide a different perspective of the coast, while hidden coves beckon the adventurous for a refreshing swim. But the Amalfi Coast isn't just about natural beauty, it's also a place to engage with local culture. Take a tour of the lush lemon groves where the zesty fruit used in the region's renowned Limoncello liqueur is grown. Or why not join a cooking class and learn to prepare a traditional dish under the guidance of a local chef? And don't forget the artisan workshops, where you can witness firsthand the creation of beautiful handicrafts. Whether you're a nature lover, a foodie, or a history buff, the Amalfi Coast has something for everyone. Before you pack your bags and set off for the Amalfi Coast, here are a few tips to help you make the most of your visit. The best times to visit are during spring and fall, when the weather is mild and the crowds are thinner. To navigate the popular spots, consider arriving early or staying late, as these are the times when the crowds tend to be smaller. When it comes to transportation, there's a variety of options. Buses and ferries offer scenic routes along the coastline, while a rental car provides the freedom to explore at your own pace. Accommodation varies from luxury hotels perched on cliffsides to cozy bed and breakfasts nestled in the heart of the towns. Whether you're seeking opulence or a homely charm, there's something for everyone. The Amalfi Coast is a place that captivates and inspires. From its stunning landscapes to its rich history and culture, it's a destination that promises an unforgettable journey. So, are you ready to explore this Italian gem?